Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Austin here from Sneaker Styles, and in today's video I am finally back after 8 long months. Before this video gets started, I just would like to say that I truly am sorry for the time that I spent off of my YouTube channel. Throughout these past 8 months, I've really taken the time to just get some priorities straight and get some stuff done. And I do admit that the break was a little bit longer than expected, but I'm just happy to be back, and I will be uploading every single Friday to the YouTube channel, so make sure to stay tuned if you're new. If you guys have been subscribed to the YouTube channel, you might have noticed that a few months back I did make a farewell video to Sneaker Styles. Throughout these last few months, I've really re-evaluated my priorities. You really don't know what you have until it's gone. I love every single one of you guys, all of the support you guys have been leaving, and even while I've been gone, you guys have been leaving comments asking me where I'm at, if I'm okay, and I love it, and I cannot wait to start posting videos again. So make sure you stay tuned every single Friday for another video. But now that all that's out of the way, in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys episode 6 of the best sneakers for under $100. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Adidas EQT Support ADVs. Today's sneaker actually retails for just a little bit over $100, but if you smart and shop online, it should be no challenge to find this shoe under $100. Coming in many different colorways, this sneaker actually gets its concept from the 90s equipment runner. Now, although the sneaker works great for casual wear, I believe its best purpose is for gym use. Depending on the model you choose, uppers can vary from a two-tone mesh to a prime knit sock-like upper. For mine in particular, the materials seem very durable, but at the same time very flexible, which is again why I recommend this for a gym sneaker. Synthetic inserts near the toe box and the tongue of the sneaker really pop when light is reflected off of them, and overall so far, I'm really impressed with the materials used. The tongue of each sneaker is attached like many other models out today, and I believe the materials used work very well with the overall one-piece design. As I mentioned to you guys previously, I'm very impressed with the materials chosen for this sneaker, and I was very surprised with this just because of the lower price point. I'm used to a lot of sneakers being upwards of $150, even $200, and for a price point of $110, usually on sale for less than that, the materials used on the EQT are very high quality, and I cannot recommend it to you guys enough. The signature Adidas 3-bar design is used once again, of course, but on this sneaker, instead of being just another synthetic material, like as such something on the NMD, there's just 3 stripes, they don't really do anything but reflect light. The 3-stripe design actually works as a lace holder, and it also kind of gives off this 3-dimensional look, which at the end of the day looks pretty badass. Now, when choosing your size for this sneaker, I definitely recommend going true to size. I personally had to go with the 9.5, even though I'm a size 10, just because they didn't have any others available, and I really wanted to pick this up for you guys. But at the end of the day, definitely go true to size. This shoe fits very tight, and also if you have wide feet, it fits very narrow. So if you go true to size, maybe even go up that half size, it'll be just perfect. For me personally, if you guys are a fan of the videos, you might know that I like my shoes to fit a little bit tighter. So for me, it feels great, but for you guys, you might hate it. So I definitely recommend going true to size, and like I said, if anything, go up just that half size. As I've said to you guys a few different times in this video, I definitely recommend this model of EQT for gym use. At the back of the shoe, near the heel area, they have what Adidas calls these TPU heel support units. And this just helps with overall lockdown and durability. Any outdoor or indoor active activities, I can definitely recommend this sneaker. Now, as we make our way down to the midsole of this sneaker, it is by no means boost material, but as Adidas describes it, the EVA technology in this midsole is very comfortable, and I could definitely see myself wearing this sneaker all day with no issues. Coming from such a strong top half, I was kind of disappointed to see the materials used down low. Again, Adidas does claim that this is a very strong rubber compound, so I could be wrong, but we'll just kind of have to see how things go as time progresses. I was very disappointed with this material, and I don't see it lasting for a super long time. I could be wrong. And lastly, as we move to the bottom of this sneaker, we do see an all rubber outer sole. As I was telling you guys just before, this top midsole section is not very strong in materials in my opinion, but as you move to the outer sole itself, it starts to get a little bit stronger, and there are little rivets in the bottom of the sneaker, supposedly for traction, which is again why I say this is definitely a gym heavy sneaker, but this can definitely be worn as a casual sneaker, and at the end of the day, I think it's a definite cop, and that's why I grabbed it for this video. All in all, I do understand that this model does not come with boost as some of the others do, but you really have to consider the price point. At this very low price, you're getting very awesome high-end materials up top. Sometimes it may be lacking in the midsole area. Everything else is perfectly fine, and I definitely recommend this sneaker for $110. Again, you can find it on sale for a little bit cheaper, but at the end of the day, this sneaker definitely gets a high 8, even 9 out of 10, and I definitely recommend it to you guys. So to wrap things up here, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode of the best sneakers for under $100, and hopefully you guys are happy to see me back on the YouTube channel. Again, if you are new, I'm going to be back and uploading every single Friday, so make sure to go down below, click subscribe and turn notifications on. If you guys can, please leave a quick like rating and make sure to check out some older content. And until next week, see you guys later.